Good morning, students. Today I am going to start Unit 7 Cube and Cube Roots. The cube of a number is that number raised to power 3. Means किसी भी नंबर की अगर पावर 3 होती है उसे कहते हैं क्यूब. सपोज हमने लिखा 2 क्यूब, 2 की पावर 3, तो इट मीन्स 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, 3 टाइम्स. एंड प्रीवियस यूनिट वी हैव डन 2 स्क्वेयर, तो इट मीन्स 2 इंटू 2. इज इट क्लियर? एंड 2 क्यूब मीन्स 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्क्वेयर एंड क्यूब. The cube of a number is that number raised to power 3. Next is the cube of even natural number is even. Suppose I take 2. 2 is a even number. Find the cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is also even. Cube of odd natural number is odd. Take an example. 3 into 3 into 3. 27. That is also odd. So what we have studied, even natural number का cube even और odd का odd. The cube root of x is denoted by, जैसे हम स्क्वायर रूट बनाते थे, यहाँ एक छोटा सा 3. I am showing you. This is square root of x and this too you write or may not write. In cube root we have to write here 3. So this becomes cube root of x. Is it clear? Now exercise 7.1, question first. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? We have to find. The first part is 216. So we will find prime factorization. 2 1s are 2. 1 लिया, नहीं जाता, 0. So 1 6 becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. Do practice of this prime factorization. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. अगर 5 के नीचे 4 लिखे तो रिमाइंडर विल बी 1. 1 4 14. So 2 7s are 14. Now it is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we have got here the factors of 216. Now we have to form triplets. ठीक है? Triplet means group of 3. जैसे स्क्वायर रूट में 2 2 का पेयर करते थे, in cube root we will make pairs of 3. Group them in 3s. 2 भी 3 में 3 times है, 3 भी. So we can write 216 is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube. Okay. Now cube root of 216 लें तो पूरे 3 के ग्रुप में से एक लेंगे, 2 और 3. तो we can also write cube root of 216 is 6. This is the extra part I have done. Otherwise in question they have just asked to find whether 216 is cube, perfect cube or not. As 2 and 3 are forming triplets, therefore 216 is perfect cube. Okay. Now second part is 128. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So form the group of 3s. Of next 2 also form group of 3. 1 2 is left. Is it clear? So 128 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. This 2 is remaining. So it is not forming exact triplets. Therefore, 2 does not appear in group of threes. Therefore, we can say 128 is not a perfect cube. Clear? As 2 was not in a group of 3, so we will say that 128 is not a perfect cube. Now another part I am taking, this is 1000. Again, do the prime factorization. 2 500s are 250s are 2 125s are 250, and then divisible by 5. So we have formed the group of threes. So 1000 is equal to 2 cube into 5 cube. Perfect हो गया. They are forming 2 as well as 5. Both the factors are in triplets. Therefore 1000 is a perfect cube. Another part is 100. Do the prime factorization. 250s are 225s are 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Again I am repeating, there was a problem. 250s are 225s are 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So what you get, neither 2 nor 5 is forming a group of 3. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So 2 as well as 5 both are not in group of 3. Therefore we can say 100 is not a perfect cube. Now next part, 46656. Do the prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 16 बना, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 बचेगा 13, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12 again, and 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, then 9 you will take, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are, then 729. So 729 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 12 बना, 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 2 बचेगा तो 2 और 1 21, 3 7s are 21, 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now form the group of threes. देखो ये 3 का हो गया ग्रुप. Here also 3 का group. Group of 3, again group of 3. All are in groups of 3 forming triplets. So 4 6 6 5 6 equal to 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3. All are forming triplets. Therefore 4 6 6 5 6 is perfect cube. Okay. Now question number 2. Find the smallest number by which each of the number must be multiply to obtain perfect cube. अब जो भी अनपेयर्ड है उससे हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे टू गेट परफेक्ट क्यूब. 243. Find prime factorization of 243. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are, sorry, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, again by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 243 is equal to 3s के ग्रुप्स करो, but this is not in group of 3. ओके, ये 3 का ग्रुप बन गया, 2 है, एक 3 कम है, तो देयरफॉर इससे क्या पता चला कि एक तो 243 जो है इज नॉट परफेक्ट क्यूब, and by what it should be multiplied? We will multiply by 3. Okay, so 3 is the number to get perfect cube. So 3 is the answer. Is it clear? हमें पता चल गया किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि 243 जो है परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. यू मे इवन शो ऑल्सो, अगर 243 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वी विल गेट 729 क्यूब इज परफेक्ट क्यूब. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पार्ट 256. Do prime factorization. 128, 2 6 are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Form the group of 3s and you get that 1 2 is missing. Is it clear? जो लास्ट वाले 2 हैं उनमें एक 2 मिसिंग है, 3 का ग्रुप नहीं बन रहा, तो 256 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, एक ग्रुप बन गया, 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 दूसरा ग्रुप बन गया, और 2 इंटू 2. सो 1 2 जो है वो एक 2 कम है, तो 256 इज़ नॉट, पहले तो हम लिखेंगे परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है, देन मल्टीप्लाई by 2 to make it perfect cube. Clear? So 256 को अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, so what you will get, 2 6 are 12, 512. तो 512 क्या है? परफेक्ट क्यूब. नेक्स्ट 72 फैक्टराइजेशन करो, 2 9s are, now with 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. ग्रुप बन गया 3 2 का, तो 3 का ग्रुप नहीं बन रहा, तो एक 3 मिसिंग है, 1 3 is left. So we will multiply. 72 is not perfect क्यूब. एक चीज़ तो ये है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. ओके, व्हेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 72 बाय 3 we will get 216 which is a perfect cube. One more part, fifth I am taking 100. We have already done prime factorization of 100 earlier also. So you get it here, 2 into 2, 5 into 5. Neither 2 nor 5, दोनों ही ग्रुप ट्रिपलेट्स जो हैं फॉर्म नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो 100 इज इक्वल टू 2 into 2, 5 into 5. So we want 2 as well as 5 to make it a perfect cube. So 100 is not a perfect cube. ट्रिपलेट्स नहीं बने। मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इंटू 5, 2 5 ज़ा 10, एक 2 भी कम था 5 भी। 100 इंटू 100 इज इक्वल टू 1000।